Hi, today I'm going to be telling you how you can create a survey for your Wix.com site. So let's start from the dashboard here, and you want to click this button here to design your site. Once you click on that, it'll take you to here, the Wix website editor. Now, to make our site, we're going to utilize something called Wix's forms. This is an element Wix provides where you can add in a question and any user can add in a answer, and we're going to be utilizing this to make our survey. So let's start from the Wix website editor, and you want to click on the left hand side here to add elements. And on add elements, you want to go to contacts and forms. Now in here, there's a couple of pre-made forms like contact, order, registration, application, request, waiver, subscribe, catering, things like that. And something similar to what we want, which is survey, but this is not quite a survey. This is a feedback form. So instead of using these ones, let's just make our own survey. So let's click on this to create a new form. And then it'll open up a dashboard such as this. So we can make our form. Give it a second. Now, as you can see here, now we have a custom form field here. Now let's add a couple. So if they want to do a survey, first they want to add in their first name. And then maybe they also need to add in their last name, right? And then just for good measure, they need to add in their email as well. Now, after this, we can start adding in our survey questions. So for example, our first survey question is, I'm going to add in this, a short answer. And then the name is, are you satisfied? Are you satisfied with our services? Right? That's the question. And then they can answer with a short answer. So it'll limit them if they have a long answer. So instead, if we want a long answer, we're gonna drag and drop this one, long answer. And then we're gonna change the title to please elaborate, right? So this time, if they want to give a long answer, they can. After that, we'll also do a number here, for example. And then for the number, we're gonna do enter in your rating for satisfaction or something like that. And they can enter in the number. There's of course a lot of other things here that you can use for your survey. It doesn't really matter, honestly. This is like making a Google form, but for your Wix website, right? And I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do single choice. And I'm going to name this, would you use our service again? Service again. And I'm going to change the options to yes and no. So yes and no. Great. That's done. Now let's click on save. Wait for it to load. After that, just exit out. And then your form will be added onto your Wix site such as this.